Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is week 3 and we have started chapter number 4, turning effect of force. The content of this week are: number 1, resolution of force into perpendicular components; number 2 is torque; number 3, rigid body; number 4, axis of rotation; and number 5, moment arm and moment of. The objective of these topics are: define like and unlike parallel forces, state head-to-tail rule of vector addition, describe how to resolve a force, define moment of force, and explain the turning effect of. First of all, like parallel forces are the forces that are parallel to each other and have same direction. Unlike parallel forces are the forces that are parallel but have direction opposite to each other. And a resultant force is a single force that has the same effect as the combined effect of all the forces to be added. Next, what is head-to-tail rule? How we can add more than one vectors or the forces graphically. In this method, we can draw any number of vectors, and the line which joins the tail of the first vector and head of the last vector is called the resultant vector. And in head-to-tail rule, we are either given the direction or the angle, and we have to draw the vectors according to the angles or the given directions. And here in the diagram, the red line it is the resultant of the forces A and B. And how we can resolve the force into its components? The process of splitting up a force into two mutually perpendicular components is called resolution of that force. And x component of the force is F cos theta and y component is equal to F sin. Now I have given the whole process of resolution of the vectors and also the finding the finding the resultant from the component. We can use the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem, which you already know, that it is for right angle triangle, and we are also converting the given force F into perpendicular components x and y component. Here, according to Pythagoras theorem, OR is the hypotenuse and OP is the base and PR is the perpendicular. Mean hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Mean it is equal to fx square plus fy square, and by taking square root on both sides we find the resultant force F is equal to fx square plus fy square and whole square root. Next we have to find the angle, and the angle, as we are given the y and x component, you know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base, opposite over adjacent. So theta is equal to tan inverse F. Now what is torque? The turning effect of torque is called turning effect of force is called torque or moment of force. The line along which a force acts is called line of action of force. The perpendicular distance between the axis of rotation and the line of action of the force is arm. Moment of force is the product of force and its perpendicular distance from the pivot. Mathematically, torque is equal to force into moment arm, or torque is equal to F into L. SI unit of the torque is Newton meter and it is